What's up guys? So as you guys can see behind me, this is my brand new 2017 Subaru BRZ. Now, I know you guys are thinking like, Alex, you just got a turbo for your BRZ, why'd you get a new one? The turbo was giving me too many issues. I just decided to scrap it, so I just went and picked up myself a brand new BRZ. But no, I'm just kidding. This is my friend's BRZ. But I wasn't kidding about the issues. If any of you guys know how to fix a P000B check engine light on a Subaru BRZ, like please let me know. Like I've tried so many things to fix that issue that I don't even know what's going on. So if anyone knows how to fix that, please put it down in the comments below. I already tried replacing my oil control valve. That didn't work. If I reset the code, car will drive fine for like 7 days and then the code will just come up again. So I don't know how to fix that issue. If anyone knows, please let me know. But going back to this BRZ, this is my friend Delbert's BRZ. Since I got a turbo manifold for my car, I had to get rid of my old headers. So I'm gonna be giving him my old headers. And he also got a front pipe, so I'm gonna be putting in the front pipe for him. So me and my dad are gonna be doing that. We're basically running our own little shop here, so anyone in the area ever needs some help doing things, come to us, we'll charge you. So I already did a video on how to install this on my car, and the steps are gonna be basically the same. First, jack the car up on stands, as we always do. Take off this metal piece over here that's under every single BRZ, and then detach the O2 sensors from the car, and then you can start basically unbolting the headers and the front pipe, and then just swap them in, and that's about it. Alright guys, so we got the old headers off and the old front pipe off, and we've already attached the O2 sensor onto the new header. Now we only attached the primary O2 sensor because we're going to attach the secondary one after we put it back on the car, because it's a little bit easier from putting the sensor back from the top. So we're going to do that, and then we also need to take this piece out. So we need to take this piece off from the old front pipe and put it on the new one, because if you don't put this piece on, you're probably getting an exhaust leak. So we need to do that still. And after that, we just put it on the car and we're done. I would say it took us maybe around like 10 to 15 minutes to take both those pipes off. And now we're just gonna put it back on. And I think the first time my dad and I did this, it probably took us like maybe 30 plus just to take those two off and stuff. So it's a lot easier the second time because we already know what we're doing and we don't have to worry about thinking about anything else.
Moments later.
Well guys, we finished the install. Probably took us around 30-ish minutes to do everything. So it didn't really take us that long at all. Mostly because we've already done this before on my car, so it went by pretty fast. So my dad just left, and he left me to clean up everything that we have here. So I'll be cleaning that up, and then I'll show you guys what the car sounds like when we turn it on. Sounds pretty good. Sounds similar to what mine sounded like before when I had that set up. And yeah, and then I'll just go and I'll drop it off to Delbert and then it'll be done. So one more thing before I end this off guys. So Delbert did Venmo me some money because I gave him my old exhaust, and you know, I'm installing this for him. Since I'm a good friend and since it's December and it's the season of giving and all that mess, I'm gonna Venmo him back the money that he gave me. And I'm gonna just say, hey, yo Delbert, this is on me. You know, Merry Christmas. You got this free of charge, everything, it's all on me. So if you're watching this, Delbert, you're welcome. And yeah, Merry Christmas, bro. I hope you enjoy it. And Delbert, just make sure you get it tuned so you don't have any check engine lights or anything. So I'll catch up with you guys later after I finish cleaning this up. All right guys, let's turn her on and see what she sounds like. Sounds pretty good. Basically it sounds like mine, how mine used to sound. To me, it's kind of normal right now because I've already driven this setup before, so to me it's not like too loud, but I bet for Delbert it's gonna be like ridiculously louder than it was before.
Oh man, that shit loud as fuck, bro. Ooh, come on man, I wanted to rip. I want to rip it. Happy with it, bro. Worth every penny. Thanks, bro.
Which means it's free.
It's free.
It's free. I've Venmo'd you back.
Why'd you Venmo me back,
Bro, it's a Christmas gift, bro.
Christmas gift?
Christmas gift, bro. You don't gotta pay me.
Really?
Yeah, for real.
What you want for Christmas?
Nothing, bro. You good. I ain't gonna charge my friends. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I know I didn't really do too much of an in-depth install, but that's because I already have a video on this channel where I do the exact same thing but on my car, and it's really in-depth. So I'll put like a card in the corner somewhere for you guys to go check that out if you want like an in-depth install on how to do an unequal length header and front pipe on a BRZ. Yeah, again, if you guys have any idea on how to fix that P000B check engine light code for the BRZ or FRS, like please let me know. I've looked up on forums and stuff, and I try to fix it. Like what we did is we swapped two oil control valves on each side, and then when we got the check engine light again, it was actually on the other side. So we were like, all right, this oil control valve is bad. So we swapped it out for the new one, and then I was good for like 4 or 5 days. And then I got a check engine light again, but on the other side. So I was like, all right, maybe this one went bad as well. So I swapped that one out as well. And then I was good for like 7 days. And then I just got the same check engine light again. And it's always on that one side. So it's always like P00B. So it keeps going that same side. And I just don't know what the issue is. I'm going to try to get in contact with my tuner. Maybe he can help me out and help me figure out what it is. Maybe he's able to like plug it into the ECU and see like any logs or anything, and see if anything's like, see what the issue is. I think the code is like slow camshaft response time or something. I think that's what the code is for the BRZs, but it's really annoying. The car drives like perfectly fine as well. There's no issues. The light just comes on out of nowhere, and I've already replaced my oil. I've like done all like the basic things that you would think to do, and it's still there. Doesn't go away, and it's just getting really annoying because like I really want it to go away and for my car to be like perfect, because it drives perfectly fine. I just don't understand what the issue is. So if you guys know how to solve this issue, please let me know. Then my next idea is just to replace the sensor that's there. So it's like another $100 to replace that sensor, and I'm just basically like running around like headless trying to figure out what the issue is when I don't know. So I'm hoping my tuner can get back to me, and hopefully maybe he can help me figure out what the issue is. I feel like the issue might be with the tune. I don't know if that's a possibility, because I never had this issue before until I installed the turbo and I got it tuned. So maybe it's an issue with the tune. Maybe just the ECU just needs to be like reflashed and tuned again, and then it'll go away. But no idea. I have no idea what the issue is. So if you guys can help me out with this, it would mean the world to me. If anyone's had this issue before and fixed it, please let me know. If I figure out what the issue is and fix it, I will 100% tell you guys, because it's so hard to find information on this issue, and if anyone runs into this, I really hope that I can resolve it for them. If you guys ever been on a forum and found like the exact issue you have and then the exact solution to it, it's like the best feeling ever. So if I can help someone out and help someone resolve this issue, if I figure it out, then I totally will. Yeah, I just want to fix it and drive my car without any worries. That's all I want. That's all I want right now. Before I end this video off, you know, it's December, Christmas is coming up. Even if you celebrate or don't celebrate it, it's the time of giving. So, you know, do something nice for someone, do something nice for one of your friends, you know, just do something nice. Why not? My mom's always telling me like, you should never charge your friends for like anything that, you know, you help them with or anything, because they're your friends. So I'm not going to charge my friend Albert, because, you know, he's my friend. There's no reason to charge someone, you know, help them out. I'm not going to use that exhaust anymore. I mean, sure, I could have sold it to someone, but it doesn't matter. He's my friend. I'd rather him have it and have fun with it. So that'll do it for today's video. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to that like button, and you guys can subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. See you guys next time. Peace.